How to count the number of true elements in a NumPy bool array. I have a NumPy array, booler, of boolean type. I want to count the number of elements whose values are true. Is there a NumPy or Python routine dedicated for this task? Or, do I need to iterate over the elements in my script?
You have multiple options. Two options are the following. Here's an example. Of course, that is a bool-specific answer. More generally, you can use numpy.count_non0.
That question solved a quite similar question for me, and I thought I should share. In raw Python you can use sum to count true values in a list. But this won't work.
In terms of comparing two NumPy arrays and counting the number of matches, e.g. correct class prediction in machine learning, I found the below example for 2 dimensions useful. Which can be extended to d dimensions. The results are prediction, target, count of correct prediction for d equals 1, 1. Count of correct prediction for d equals 2, 2.
Axis equals 1 will output number of trues in a row and axis equals 0 will count number of trues in columns. So, will be 3, 1.
Diese Option, diese Matches,